Hey guys, Rob from Ironbark Builders, just here at the Monkey Manor Road project doing a quick progress update. Let's take a look. We're just in the final stages at Monkey Manor Road. We've got the turf going down, the bulk landscaping detailing happening, pavers, we've just had concrete polishing take place, bench tops, kitchen's close to completion, bathrooms are done, decorative ceiling panels, we're getting close for final. To complement the concrete floors, we've got the concrete bench tops, plywood joinery, integrated dishwasher. Since last time we got the tiling complete, shower screens in, shower, handrails, all your mixers done, ready for occupation. Let's check out what's happening upstairs. What we've got here are Tasioc treads and a handrail. This timber's come up a tree. Other key features of this property include the bushfire sprinkler system, solar panels, standalone battery system, backup generator, the volume for rainwater catchment and the waste management system. Here we've got what's part of the bushfire management system, which is a comprehensive system of sprinklers around the house, on the roof. All right, we've got two pumps here, electric for the household running off the solar batteries and petrol for your firefighting purposes. Outside I've just added some downward facing wall lighting to create some nighttime ambience.
Hey, this is Alex from AJL Civil, out here at our Monkey Mountain Road project with Rob from Ironbark Builders. So a few months ago we were engaged by Rob to come out and do a site cut and a roadway and some drainage work.
Thanks for joining in the progress update at Monkey Manor Road. Can't wait to see it get to completion, be occupied and enjoyed for years to come.